jing pen itanat ya ka Khyndailad kala yad mental syakhamat bat ka jing pen itanat puraya ka kan deitat hadien bala dep an pynkynriah no ya ka ïing Dorbar ka jela syaka jaka ka bathamai ka badan hamau diang pentip usembot menteri rang ba ka jela pa asnyau phalang dhar. Haba pentip ya kani hakilat pathai kubor hakani kasingi pale usembot menteri rang ba ulo ong ru ba kam dan satya ka no ka jingbo teng lani pensuki ya kani ka jing pen itanat ya ka Khyndailad. Ulay thu ru ba minta ya ka detail project report DPR ru ki dang penbet penbiang pura khamtam habe dei bat ka ïing Dorbar ka barim bat ru ban walam ya ki jaka yat ki jat ki bapiang ki kyu sentiu bat ru pan siang pha ya ki madan.
Not pending, we are on the process of beautifying it. You know very well because even the old assembly is yet to shift to the new one. As soon as we shift to the new one and we will go for the full beautification of the area. The DPR is under process as of now. And a very nice one. So maybe when everything is completed, when the data is full, you'll be able to see it even the website also. So when they shift there, we have to dismantle this as per plan. Not yet finalized, as per plan, and we have to make a nice walkway and the footpath and the parking down there. Everything is under DPR. So we cannot beautify only partly, no. We have to beautify all around the junction. That is the reason we are still discussing as of now. And differently, we will be beautified it. You see, we planning to do that, and we are planning to make it is a walking street also. You know. So in the meantime, some of the residents request us, if you close this road, you may face problems. So in the meantime, we are discussing with them. And when everything is clear, we are planning to change the tile. We are planning to make all these flower pots all along the thing. And even the timings we have to set with understanding both the resident and the government. That is the part towards the visual cinema. And about the beautification in the areas, we have to wait when they all assembly office shift to the new assembly office.